Everyone wants to know the secret to building wealth. Is it luck? The right degree? Knowing the right people? Or is there something deeper that most people completely overlook? After studying the journeys of some of the most successful founders and entrepreneurs, one thing becomes clear. The path to real wealth isn't what most people think, and the formula is actually simpler than you'd expect. Here are 4 patterns that separate people who build lasting wealth from everyone else. Pattern 1. They were obsessed with a problem, not money. This is the most counterintuitive finding. Almost every self-made wealthy person didn't start by chasing money. They started by becoming deeply obsessed with solving a specific problem, something that frustrated them, something they couldn't stop thinking about. The money came later, as a byproduct of solving that problem at scale. And this matters because when you chase money directly, you make short-term decisions. You jump toward whatever pays right now. But when you're focused on a problem, you stay in the game long enough to actually win. So ask yourself, what problem do you genuinely care about solving? Not what pays well. What actually bothers you enough to work on for years? That answer is more valuable than any business plan. Pattern 2. They identified their unfair advantage. Every successful wealth builder had something they did naturally that others found difficult. For some, it's strategic thinking. For others, it's communication, marketing instinct, relationship building, or simplifying complex ideas. And here's the interesting part. This advantage isn't found through planning. It shows up through experimentation. You try different things. You notice what feels easy for you, but hard for others. You pay attention to what people consistently ask you for help with. Ask yourself 3 simple questions. What can you do for hours without getting tired? What comes naturally to you that others struggle with? What do people ask your help for again and again? Your answers are pointing directly at your leverage. Pattern 3. They committed to one vehicle for a long time. A vehicle is simply how you create and deliver value. It could be a business, a personal brand, a service, a content platform, or even trading. The specific vehicle matters less than most people think. What matters more is staying in it long enough for compounding to work. Most people make the mistake of switching too early. They start something, don't see results in a few months, and jump to something else. Then they repeat the same cycle. Wealth builders don't do that. They pick a direction, understand it deeply, and stay consistent until they become hard to compete with. When choosing your vehicle, focus on 2 things. Does it match your strengths and does it have strong long-term potential? If both are true, compounding becomes powerful. Pattern 4. They played a longer game than everyone else. This is where most people get it wrong. Social media makes success look instant. But when you actually look at real timelines, wealth takes years, sometimes a decade or more. Not because people aren't talented, but because wealth is not linear. It's compounding. The first few years feel slow, sometimes painfully slow. But if you stay consistent, things start to shift. Your skills improve. Your reputation grows. Opportunities increase. And suddenly what felt like no progress turns into momentum that outsiders don't understand. Most people quit right before this phase begins. So here's the simple formula. Find a problem you truly care about. Identify your natural advantage. Choose a vehicle that fits both your strengths and long-term potential, and commit to it, longer than feels comfortable. That's it. No shortcuts, no secret connections, no special background required. The people who build real wealth aren't always the smartest or most talented. They're the ones who stayed in the game long enough for compounding to do its work. If this gave you clarity, follow for more, and drop a comment on what your unfair advantage might be.